Can you feel it? The new camera from Sony is coming out very soon. Bonjour my fellow high-tech fans, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for rumors and gossip about Sony's next camera? Well, don't look further. Let's analyze together what info we have online and guess what kind of camera will be in the store soon enough. Every year, well, almost. Except for 2017 when there weren't any announcements, almost every year we have a compact camera from the RX family. Usually it was announced in May and was available sometime in June or July. So we are all wondering if this year will also be a RX year. Last year we had the ZV-1, 2 years ago the RX 100 Mark VII, and the year before the RX 100 Mark VI. In an interview, Masaki Oshima, deputy senior manager of Sony's camera division, said that Sony wants to integrate their high-end technology in a simple and easy-to-use way. The ZV-1 already has a lot of success with young vloggers, and content creations have exploded thanks to the global pandemic, so all this information could lead us to a new model coming out soon. Sony has lately registered a new camera body. Another camera that could be announced soon is the successor of the Alpha A7C, which mixes the quality and advantages of a full-frame sensor with an especially portable and sleek body design. Does this mean that the rumors are right and we will see a new hybrid camera? Definitely not. We might also see a new Alpha 7 model. Why not? Nothing is certain, but one thing we can have more assurance about is the official release time. We should hear about it by the end of this month. Now let's have a chat in the comments down en dessous, below les amis. What camera would you like to see in the next few days? A lightweight blogging camera or a full frame camera? Let's talk about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe in order to see each other again soon. Take care. Salut!